Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make jolmyeon or spicy chewy noodle. For ingredients, let's check down below. For ingredients, you will need Korean chewy noodle, seaweed, carrot, green onion, cucumber, Korean bean sprout, and cabbage. So first, I'm gonna boil the soybean sprout or the Korean bean sprout. I'm gonna boil it with water and add a little bit of salt. I'm gonna boil it on a medium heat for 12 minutes. For the sauce, you will need 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon Korean pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of gochujang or Korean pepper paste, two tablespoons vinegar or apple vinegar, 2 tablespoons rice syrup, if you guys don't have the rice syrup, you can always change to sugar, but for sugar what you need is only 1.5 tablespoons, or you can substitute with corn syrup or honey. Next, 1 toasted sesame seed, and then 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. Now we're gonna mix everything up. After everything mixed evenly, just put it aside for now. After 12 minutes, the bean sprout is done, so you just need to drain the water and get rid of the excess of the water. For the noodles now, yes, I'm using the Korean chewy noodles, but if you can't find this near your place, you can always substitute it with dry noodles. Everything works. Now we're gonna boil the noodle. Please check in the back of your packaging. Usually it tells you for how many minutes you wanna cook your noodle. For example, mine is between 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm gonna cook it about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, when the noodle is done cooking, you wanna rinse them with the cold water to make sure it stops the cooking process. Now, we're gonna start assemble it. For assemble, you have noodle, you wanna add the soybean sprout, carrot, cabbage, and then you want to add your sauce. Mix it up. When everything mixed evenly, you just transfer it to serving bowl. Now for the topping, seaweed, cucumber, green onion, drizzle a little bit with sesame oil, and then sprinkle with sesame toast seed. And the last one, hard-boiled egg. So there you go, the jolmyeon is complete. Alright guys, so that's it for our today's video. So if you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.